Hi everyone. Welcome back to Did You Know? Today, we're going deep, really deep. We're diving into the ocean, and not just the pretty part with coral reefs and dolphins. We're going to the deepest, darkest, most mysterious places on Earth, places where no sunlight has ever reached, where the pressure would crush you instantly, and where creatures glow in the dark. The deep ocean is basically an alien world hiding right here on our planet. Let's explore it! Did you know the deepest point on Earth is the Challenger Deep in the Mariana Trench? It sits nearly 36,000 feet below the surface. That's almost 11,000 meters. If you dropped Mount Everest into the Mariana Trench, the peak would still be over a mile underwater. And the pressure down there is insane, over 1,000 times the pressure at the surface. That's like having about 50 jumbo jets stacked on top of you. And here's something wild: despite how hard it is to get there, we've still found living creatures at the very bottom. Life finds a way even in the most extreme places on Earth. Okay, this one sounds fake, but it's 100% real. There are lakes and rivers at the bottom of the ocean. They're called brine pools, and they form when super salty water, much denser than the surrounding seawater, collects in dips on the ocean floor. This heavy brine settles down and creates a distinct surface that looks exactly like an underwater shoreline. Some of these pools even have waves. Fish and crabs have been filmed swimming along the beach of these underwater lakes. And if they dive in, the extreme salt concentration can actually shock or kill them. A lake inside the ocean that can be deadly. The deep ocean is full of surprises. Here's something most people don't know. The ocean produces over 50% of all the oxygen on Earth. Tiny organisms called phytoplankton float near the surface and use sunlight to produce oxygen through photosynthesis, just like trees, but way more of it. Every other breath you take was basically made by the ocean. And on top of that, there are entire ecosystems deep down that don't need sunlight at all. Around hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor, bacteria use chemical energy from the Earth itself in a process called chemosynthesis. These creatures survive on heat and chemicals from inside the planet. No sun required. Did you know there are mountains underwater that are taller than Mount Everest? Mauna Kea in Hawaii, measured from its base on the ocean floor, is over 33,000 feet tall, making it taller than Everest. Most of it is just hidden beneath the waves. And the deep ocean is full of creatures that make their own light through bioluminescence. About 75% of all animals in the deep sea can produce light. They use it to hunt, attract mates, confuse predators, and communicate in the pitch darkness. And here's a bonus fact: sound travels about 4.5 times faster in water than in air. So the ocean isn't just dark and deep, it's also incredibly loud. So let's go over what we just learned. The Mariana Trench is nearly 36,000 feet deep with over 1,000 times the surface pressure. There are actual lakes and rivers on the ocean floor made of super dense brine. The ocean produces over half of Earth's oxygen through tiny phytoplankton. There are underwater mountains taller than Everest. And 75% of deep-sea creatures make their own light in the darkness. We've only explored a small fraction of the ocean floor. Who knows what else is hiding down there? If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. See you next time.